Hello guys and welcome to another video. So in this video I am going to show you how to build a PC under the budget 65,000 rupees.
So the cabinet I am using is CORSAIR CARBIDE SPEC 4 with side acrylic panel.
So on the right side we get USB 3.0, 2.0, headphone mic jack and power button.
The motherboard I am using is gaming series motherboard, but you can use any compatible motherboard. So here's the specifications and features of motherboard. You can pause the video to read it. As you can see, I have already installed the processor in the motherboard. We get mic and speaker jack, LAN port, USB 3.1 port, USB 3.0 port, HDMI port, DVI port and 2 PS2 ports. Now we will unbox and install the heatsink on our motherboard. We already have some pre-applied thermal compound on our heatsink. First we have to remove the brackets in order to install our heatsink. So now I will install the heatsink. So after installing the heatsink, we will connect the CPU fan to the CPU fan header on the motherboard.
Now it's time for us to install the RAM. The RAM I am using is Corsair's Vengeance DDR4 8GB RAM. While installing the RAM, you have to make sure that you align the notch on the RAM with the slot on the motherboard. Now we'll put all the components inside the cabinet. Let's move all the front panel connectors aside. Now we will install the I/O shield on the back side of the cabinet. It will make a click sound when you install the I/O shield. As you can see, the I/O shield is now installed. Now we will place the motherboard inside the cabinet. As you can see, the ports are now visible from the I/O shield. Now we will fix the motherboard inside the cabinet with the help of these screws which were provided with the cabinet. Now we will install the hard disk into the hard disk cage of the cabinet. Now I will connect all the front panel connectors with the headers on the motherboard. We are done with the front connectors. Now we will connect one end of the SATA cable to the motherboard. And the other end with the hard drive. In order to install the graphics card, we have to remove two PCIe expansion covers. Now we will install the graphics card on our motherboard. We have to remove this cover to install the graphics card. And finally the graphics card is now installed. Now we will fix the graphics card in place with the help of these screws. Now coming to the final part, as you can see I have already connected the 24 pin connector to the motherboard. Now I will connect the 8 pin CPU connector to the motherboard. And we are done with the assembly. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to follow my social media handles and don't forget to subscribe.